What's up guys, Bodie here, BodieDavison.com. So today's video, we're going to dive into Teespring Marketing and a Teespring Marketing specifically on Instagram mistake that I keep seeing. So I've checked out a few of your stores and this is a common theme that I keep seeing is people using the wrong hashtags. So stay to the end as I do a screen share on the mobile phone and go through Instagram and show you some hashtags and the ones that you should be using to get more sales on Instagram. So definite Teespring marketing tutorial to go through, and yeah, make sure you stay to the end to see it all. So thanks so much to everyone who keeps liking the videos, commenting down below. Make sure you comment below this one and I'll answer your questions. I'm replying to everyone's comments. Make sure you hit subscribe and also check out the print on demand playlist that I have. So I get a lot of the same questions and then I just direct people to that playlist because there's about 40 or 50 videos in there now, and if you just go through that, you're pretty much going to get walked through step by step how to succeed on Teespring and print on demand in general. So make sure you check that out. Stay tuned for this video. So before we get into the screen share that I'm going to show you guys and how to search out them hashtags, I wanted to cover these mistakes that I keep seeing. So a lot of the hashtags that you guys have been using are like Teespring, custom t-shirt, printed t-shirt. These specific hashtags aren't actually going to attract people that are in your niche. And what I mean by that is, let's say that you're in the dog niche and you've made a dog Instagram because you're being niche specific, as you should be, like I've taught you guys. So then you're posting all sorts of dog related content on Instagram, but then you're using just t-shirt, custom t-shirt, these hashtags, which you can use up to 30 by the way. So you should be searching out 30 of the best ones, which I'll show you guys at the end of this. But if you're just putting these custom t-shirt, things like that, printed t-shirt, those hashtags are going to be people like you that are selling t-shirts that don't really know what they're doing. So you're not going to attract people that are into dogs or into dog shirts because you're not using the right hashtags. So what you want to do is search out like 30 of the best ones, and I'll show you guys as I said at the end, and then you should have a couple of different lists in your notes on your phone of like 30 of this type, 30 of the next type, and then 30 of the other. Like you could have up to 3 or 4, and then you should be posting 2 to 3 times a day or whatever you can do. If you can't post that much, I understand. If you really want to build Instagram though, you need to be posting 2 to 3 times a day, and you should be checking your analytics once you switch your Instagram to a business profile, checking your analytics and seeing where your followers are most active, what time of day and where they're from. So for me with Instagram, most of my followers are American, and even with YouTube, most of you guys are from America. So I post my videos now at about 10 p.m. my time in Australia, which is actually the morning for you guys, around 7, 8 a.m. I think it works out to be. And that's what works best for my YouTube channel. So it's the same for Instagram. You want to be posting when people are most active on your page because that's when people are going to see the most of your posts. But that only matters so much for when you're got a bit of a following, but it is a good practice to get into as well.
Alrighty guys, so from your popular page here, just your search page down here, we're going to go to search, so quite easy. And then we're going to go, let's think of a dog niche just for example, but it'd be whatever niche you're in. It could be golf. Actually, let's use golf because I have a YouTube subscriber who's in the golf niche. So we're going to go golf, and then we're going to tap on tags. Alright, so then this is where we're going to get our list of tags from. So it's going to show you the most popular tags for that niche. So it's very easy. Instead of you going for custom t-shirt, printed t-shirt, that's very general and people aren't really going to pay attention to that. Whereas if you're using these sorts of tags, so if you got 30 of these, which are the most popular tags on Instagram, and you're posting on there regularly, these are the sort of hashtags that people are going to be searching, and then they're obviously interested in that niche. So it makes a lot of sense when you think about it. So let's say that you got 30 and then there was another 30 below, then you get those as well because you're seeing how many numbers are here. And it's good to have a mix of tags, like I said. So you don't want to post every Instagram post with the same tags. You can do that and it will work, but you're better off having a mix of them. And also it's going to be good because some of these smaller and medium tags it's more likely that you're going to show up in the tag. So if we just go like, let's look for a small one here. So the smaller side of these ones is something like this, probably 40K here. So if we just go golf photos, so you're much more likely to show up in golf photos here than you are and in something like just golf, for instance. But that's not to say that you wouldn't post in both. This will repost with people every 5 to 10 seconds, I would think. So it's just something to think about. You should be getting your tags out of this, using these sorts of tags, and you're actually going to attract the right sort of people. They're going to be like, oh, golf, and then they're going to look at your page because you've got a golf shirt. So if we go down here, we'll probably see one even. Maybe not, but let's say we saw this shirt and it was a printed shirt, even though that's Tiger Woods, and then we'd be like, okay, I want to check out this page, and then there would be a link in the bio for them to go and order the shirt. Or like if it was here and it was showing the shirt, and then there would be a call to action to go and order that shirt from the bio. So I hope that makes sense for you guys.
So as you can see there, this is going to target a lot more people that are actually interested in what you're trying to sell. So what really matters here, and the big mistake that I've seen with Teespring Marketing and specifically Instagram with some of your stores, is they're too general and they're not niche down. So if you're looking at the golf niche like we just went through there, it's going to be golf hashtags, it's going to be to a golf niche store like Instagram, sorry, and then it's going to go through your bio to a golf niche Teespring store. So you would have that storefront set up. So everything is golf, and there's no confusion at all. So that person who's interested in golf and is looking through those hashtags then goes onto your Instagram page and then sees the shirt, which is in the golf niche as well, and they're interested in that. There's a call to action to go to the link in the bio. They go through the link in the bio, and then they arrive on a Teespring storefront that's all about golf stuff. So not only are they going to see the shirt they were interested in, they might be even more interested in a different golf design that you have on that storefront. So this is the big difference between being very general and broad and not getting many people to show interest, and being very niche down and very specific on what will work. So all of this, by the way, doesn't work if your designs are no good. So you have to have good designs, because I have checked out some of these stores and they're like small text on a shirt and heaps of blank space and very boring and plain. So you need to make sure that you have good shirts. How do you find that out? Check out the other videos in the print on demand playlist. Pretty much go and look for what works and then make your own version of that, because if it's selling, then obviously it's something people are interested in. Alright, and that brings me to the end of this video. So thanks very much for watching, guys. I hope you get some value out of this. If you do, please share the videos, please like them, please comment below and let me know, or if you have questions, comment below. I'm answering everyone's questions, as I said at the start of the video, so make sure you do that. Please hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.